Hi, beautiful soul. Welcome to Shine and Breathe. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a safe and peaceful place inside your heart. Come to a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down, closing your eyes, clearing your mind. Coming into this present moment, inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathe in and out of your nose, taking deep cleansing breaths. Feeling your breath as nourishment to your body. Take a scan of your body, being aware of tension or stress that you're holding, and send your breath into those areas. Visualize it dissolving away. Lovingly releasing. Feeling relaxed with each exhale. Breathe in peace. Let it flow through all the cells of your being. Breathe out any worry. Breathe in light. Breathe out anything heavy. Breathe in love. Breathe out a sigh of relief. Breathe in love and let it flow through all the cells of your being, remembering that you are love. Let's say some gentle words to help us feel safe and strong. You can say them out loud or quietly in your mind. Allow yourself to feel love and gratitude, believing these affirmations are true for you. I am safe. Allow yourself to feel them as you say them. I am held in love. The world is a good place. I am protected by light. It is safe to be me. I trust the people who care for me. I feel calm in my heart. I am grounded like a tree. My breath helps me feel safe. Imagine these words wrapping around you like a soft blanket. Let them glow in your heart and settle in your body. I am safe. I am loved. Picture yourself in a special, safe space. It could be a cozy room, a magical cave, a tree house, or a glowing bubble of light. In your safe space, everything feels good. There's soft light, peaceful sounds, maybe even your favorite stuffed animal or guardian angel nearby. What do you see? What do you hear? How does it feel? You can visit this place anytime you want to feel safe and calm. It's always inside you. You are safe. You are strong. You are surrounded by love and light. The world is better with your calm, beautiful energy in it. Take a deep, cleansing breath. Feeling grateful. Feeling love. I am divinely guided and protected. All is well in my world. You can slowly bring yourself back to this present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Continue to carry this feeling of safety with you. Feeling strong, feeling supported, feeling loved. Thank you so much for sharing this space with me. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity within you. Namaste.